Welcome everyone to this July 13th edition of What's Happening in Crypto with the Crypto Lark, broadcasting to you from New Zealand and bringing you all of the latest from the crypto world and beyond. Today in the news, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency regrets, big project updates, Friday giveaways, and US lawmakers looking at the future of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, $6,259, continuing its downtrend for the week. Over in South Africa, 38% of South Africans say that they wish they had invested in cryptocurrency. A lot of people look at cryptocurrency and they look at people who bought Bitcoin for $3, for $5, for $10, and say, wow, they were so smart, they got in early, that's amazing. Well, I didn't buy Bitcoin for $3, and I know a lot of you didn't either. The reality is, when you look at the size of the crypto markets, we're still pretty early. Look at the recent run-ups. That's not an aberration. That's not the one-time price, and we're never going to go back in that direction. The crypto markets have so much infrastructure being built, so much money coming in, so much institutional interest, so much over-the-counter trading happening. It's going to go up. It's simply a question of when cryptocurrencies are going to take back off. So if you're in that regret category, do your own research, get out there, find some things that you like. These times of pessimism in the markets offer good opportunities if you're looking at it with the right eyes. Lots of people remain bullish on the future of cryptocurrency, not just myself included. 10x co-founder still quite confident that Bitcoin can hit $60,000 this year. Hashtag, where are the cards, Julian? It would be really great to see Bitcoin hitting those numbers, and this is just a number. Let's keep it real. Everyone throws numbers around. The reality is, though, is that we see all these stories that we cover in the news all the time about big money coming into crypto. And that's going to have an effect at some point. So keep your eyes on the markets. And if you'd like to get some cryptocurrencies, you can always start accepting them for your business, like this online art gallery did. Their sales jumped 427% after accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins just 3 months ago. Wow, that is a massive interest. They also do really cool Bitcoin and cryptocurrency related art. We have the Bitcoin Starry Night. For example, we have this great To the Moon painting, reasonably priced enough at around $400 or $500. Still enough for a non-original piece of art, but pretty cool nevertheless. RT reporting, the world is running out of gold, and there's no substitute. Well, there's a substitute for as far as storing your wealth, Bitcoin, but in terms of putting things into microchips, gold is an important part of that equation. Using gold for jewelry may not be the best application for it, as human vanity may indeed someday have to compete with technology and using it for microchips and conductors. Now, this is going on to talk about how we are reaching peak gold, that the gold deposits are getting harder and harder to find, and mines are starting to produce less and less. Obviously, though, if we can start mining asteroids in the next couple of decades, this problem will not be a problem anymore. Lawmakers in the US to discuss if crypto is the future of money. I feel like this is a bunch of dinosaurs sitting around planning a party for 1999. Get with the times, guys. Of course, crypto is the future of money. Decentralized, frictionless, permissionless, trustless monetary systems are the way to go. The US may have been the ones to prove more than anyone else that centralized fiat currency is a really messed up system. But nevertheless, that conversation will be happening on the Finance Committee next week. The guys over at Ledger have been in the news a lot this week. They're expecting to have 100 tokens on the Ledger by 2020. That's massive. Absolutely massive. Obviously, the Ledger Nano S is going to have to scale up a bit in terms of only having 4 apps on it at any given time. But I'm sure that we will be seeing a new Ledger coming out here in the near future with much expanded capabilities. Ripple wants to beat Bitcoin in India, initially planned to give away billions. I don't know if Ripple has been watching the recent political developments over in India, and yes, we have a rumor that indeed India may not be banning cryptocurrencies, but I will believe it when I see it written and signed in a bill. Nevertheless, they had contemplated giving 1 XRP to everybody in India, but then thought, hey, that's too hard. Let's just partner with the big banks instead. Obviously, XRP does have a great potential for international remittances, considering their extensive network of banking partners. So we'll see how they actually end up playing out over in India. Pundi X point of sale terminals making their international in-store debut in Hong Kong. Now, this is only a small pilot test at the moment where we have just a few stores in Hong Kong stocking the Pundi X terminal, but they are shipping over 500 to select locations around the world. Of course, looking to have hundreds of thousands of these terminals coming to the markets in the next couple of years, but nevertheless, very exciting news. The guys over at Knowles have partnered with Bitmain. That is a massive partnership. Bitmain is going to be absolutely one of the industry giants. It already is one of the industry giants, but will continue to be right along with the likes of Coinbase and Gemini in terms of super profitable, super huge companies. So to see Knowles partnering up with them is a very encouraging development. We're 1 year old. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I have been posting videos on the internet for 1 year. We're about 78,000 subscribers later. I just want to say how much I appreciate every single one of you who take the time out of your day to sit down and watch my videos, hit that like button and subscribe and share these videos with your friends. Your support is just, it's amazing. It really, really is. And it keeps me going every day. So thank you so much for being part of the journey. A year has gone so fast. So many things to talk about. I remember back when I started making videos, the EOS ICO had just started. That's a funny kind of measure when you think about it. Nevertheless, we're going to be doing some awesome giveaways to celebrate that. But first, we're going to give away a large men's CryptoLark special shirt. Who is the winner going to be? Ken. Congratulations to Ken. You can go over to Twitter. We've got a his and hers set. So they're actually different shirts. You can see here, this is the one for the ladies. And this is the one for the guys. So these are both XLs. They come as a set. Get over there and hit that retweet button if you want to be in to win one of those. Also, comment on the video to win a Cool S hardware wallet. So if you want to be in to win that, just write down below, I'm in for the wallet, Lark. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let me know what you think about any of today's news stories down below in the comment section. Share these videos around the internet to help our community grow. Thumbs up the video. Join the conversation over on Twitter. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.